Mr. Vipul, can you please tell us about yourself?
Before introducing myself, I would like to take this opportunity first to thank you for giving, means I would take this moment to thank you for giving me this opportunity. Uh, Giving a brief about myself. My full name is Vipul Shamuel Misar, and I'm a born and brought up Punekar, means from Maharashtra itself. Uh, my to give a brief upon my education, I have done my basic education, as in my boards from Maharashtra State Board only. For my graduation, I have done Bachelor of Business Administration in Finance. For my masters, I have done Masters in Business Administration in Marketing. Just to give you a brief about my achievements while doing my uh, education, I have always been a competitive person in my education. I have always won debates in my masters. I've won first prizes in debate categories. I have presented papers for at a university level. I have presented papers on marketing and social media in my university. Other than while doing my masters, I have done internship. This is a special internship for me because I have done it at Vaco Binary Semantics. This was a company specially leading in domain consultation. And at my internship, I was a research consultant for Google India. And being a recent consultant for Google, I was conducting promotional activities for Google's application of Neighborly. It was specifically designed for a community or a specific region. So I was doing promotional activities for that application where I was providing awareness, taking notes, and doing an overall research conduct for that. Other than that, I have done courses such as Corporate Social Responsibility certification from Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs. In that also, I have done an internship with local NGOs like Nirman Foundation. I was working with or an automotive giant like Mahindra, means for an internship in the foundation NGO, whereas I was working for this economically weaker class and uh, uh, social segments for getting them a better prospects in life via a corporate social responsibility of Mahindra. Now coming to the present, I am currently working as a relationship manager in ICICI Bank in business loan department. I have started my career in the bank from 2021. I have been promoted. I joined as in the bank as a deputy manager, then got promoted to a manager in 2023. In this bank, I am working for specifically for MSME lending solutions. Here, I provide different kinds of solutions that are overdraft, cash credit, bank guarantees, and various other lending solutions, fund-based and non-fund based. Here, I have a portfolio of around 60 clients. The book size of my portfolio is around 200 crores. And yeah, my main role in the bank is like to acquiring new clients, generating income from the clients, providing customized solution to the clients to satisfy their business needs. A specific skill set I have developed over the credit knowledge that I can use to provide different types of solutions. Other than my specific role, where it's specifically linked to business loans, I provide 360 solutions where I provide like 360 solution as in other banking solutions to the customer, where I bring more business to the bank, regardless of my segment. That may include home loans, term deposits, car loan, and etc. Uh,
Very,
so that's yes, sir.
yeah, very good. 1 minute. Uh, good. But one thing, you are rather talking too much in detail. थोड़ा कम
Okay.
करके बात कर लीजिएगा.
Okay, so
I don't
actually
know.
that
Yeah,
yes,
how
yes.
far they will be having patience. थोड़ा
Okay.
briefly बताना है. ठीक है?
Okay, okay, sir. Okay. Because in my first mock interview, I felt like I was cutting short. That's why a little more briefed in more.
You are talking very well. Absolutely no problem.
Yes.
So you were able to tell you are actually doing in business loans canvassing. What is the
Yes.
maximum business loan limit in your branch?
In my branch, actually I have been assigned a specific region, and in that
Seven
region,
branches, 7 or 8
uh,
branches. No?
yes, yes, seven or
Yeah.
eight branches.
In
Yes.
that, what is your highest loan file?
Highest loan, yes, highest loan I have given is 42 crores.
Oh,
That in Yes, so that includes fund and non-fund based. So it is a mix of multiple loans given to a single client.
what is non-fund based?
So non-fund based can be categorized as the funds which are used can be utilized over a period of 1 year, but not immediate as a cash flow to the customer. These are in a specific instruments that is bank guarantee as well as letter of credit.
No, no, that is not the proper definition. Non-fund based or documents such as facilities such as letter of credit, guarantee.
Yes,
There is no
yes,
question of
bank guarantee.
using it. There is no question of using it. The question of
Okay,
guarantee being invoked only, it will be used. Otherwise, there is no uh,
usage of
using.
it.
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Similarly,
direct
LC,
beneficiary to the customer.
yeah, LC, the documents will come and it has to be honored. That's all.
Yes,
So
yes,
actually, they are not supposed to borrow from the bank. If they have provided funds, then we will debit that account and pay. The question of borrowal comes only when the LC opening party is not having funds at the time the bills are received.
yes, yes,
Yeah, I
yes.
hope you
Means
follow
the
them.
obligation is not met. I
Yeah,
get you, sir.
yeah. Now, um, why should we give more preference to you in relation to others? What will you do more for us? What others cannot do for us? Bank
So,
of Maharashtra. Yeah,
yes, sir. So I have a total experience of 3.6 years in this role, which helped me to gather certain skill set that make me an expert in this role because I have done so much of sorry I mm, uh, sorry I'm a person who is doing see for giving you a base example, I am the top performer in my bank for last 2 years. I'm always in the top 10 regarding the performance as in the sales of the bank bringing MSMEs lending solutions. I can bring
excellent.
you
Fine, fine.
Ye-
Did you go through our website about what are the MSME schemes we are giving?
yes, sir, I have gone through it.
What are these names of schemes? I'm not asking details.
Yes, sir. So MSME schemes, so first of all, Bank of Maharashtra is a lead bank in Maharashtra, and you are providing great MSME schemes in CGTMSE
No, no,
sector.
don't say you are providing. Say the bank is providing.
Yes, sir. So the bank is providing great solutions with CGTMSE uh, profile. So there are Maha GST scheme, which gives loans on basis of GST. There is Mudra loans. There are loans specifically for hospitality loans. This is Maha Hospitality, and there is Stand Up India loan by Bank of Maharashtra. There is farm credit. These are the few that I can name.
Here you have got these things. Mahabank
Yes, sir.
GST credit scheme, you told.
Yes, sir.
Mahabank scheme for contractors. Maha MSME projects loan scheme. The
Yes.
most important they are asking is this TREDS.
TRDS.
TREDS. Trade
Okay.
related. That is a
Oh,
separate scheme. You have to go
okay.
through that scheme and get to know that. Mahabank scheme for units engaged in hospitality. This one you told. Small
Yes,
road
sir.
transport operator. Then machinery equipment scheme. Standby line of credit. Then Mahabank loan scheme for doctors. Then mortgage loan. So, but other things are okay, but they will ask this one Somehow, in
Oh,
majority of the interviews I have seen, they are asking
okay.
about what do you know about the TREDS scheme, Trade
Okay, sir. Oh,
Receivables Electronic Discount System. Have you
okay.
heard this? Have you heard this?
Yes, yes. So this is put into other perspective in ICICI Bank where I'm working. It is like bill discounting or vendor bill discounting.
Yeah, but hereafter I have to call it as TREDS because
Okay, sir.
this is here through this government wants to see that my MSMEs get the money quickly, whereas the
Yes,
public sector takes lot of time for making payment. So that point you have to
surely, sir.
highlight
Surely.
and tell. That's all.
Yes,
But
sir.
I suggest you go through the website thoroughly.
Yes, yes. I will go through, sir. I will go through.
Apart from MSME, say in the case of Mudra loan, what is the recent change that has come in the budget?
Uh, so sorry, I don't know any recent changes in that.
That is the say in the case of loan accounts where what are they? Sishu, Kishore, and Tarun. The case of Tarun accounts where they have already received 10 lakhs and repaid, such loan accounts can be considered for being given 20 lakhs now.
Okay,
Are
okay.
you not aware of that? The limit has
No, sir.
been, it has, there is a scheme that has been
Okay.
introduced in the budget. Please get to know that. 20
Yes, sir.
lakhs for
Okay.
those people who have cleared the earlier dues, not for everybody.
Okay. Okay. So is this also they are focusing on Mudra?
Yeah, Mudra only. In
Okay. Okay.
Mudra, in Mudra, in Tarun,
Okay.
Sishu, Kishore, Tarun. So in that
Okay.
Tarun, those who have repaid, they can get 20 lakhs now. That's what the um, news reports told. Please get to know about that.
Yes. Yes. I will thoroughly
Very,
go through it.
yeah, very good. Then, what is your exposure to liability of banks?
So, in my current role, there is a very minimum exposure to liability, and it's like I said you in the before. I try to bring 360 business to the customer bank via giving other liability solutions to the customer. But I have a dedicated team that helps me out in this. So I
And
have a minimum exposure.
apart from this is their favorite question. You have been working
Okay.
in a private sector bank. How will you fit into my public sector setup? This is
Okay.
absurd question, but they will ask.
Okay. So public sector means in the public sector, what I means for the Bank of Maharashtra, what I like especially that being public sector bank, it has a very high competitive rate of interest, and it works more on the ground level of in the SME. Being in a private sector in ICICI Bank, we work for a premium clientele rather than going to work on a ground level. But Bank of Maharashtra, being a public sector, I have seen giving more credit facilities for people who genuinely need from ground up. So
You know what is
I
the
would
you know what is the interest rate we are charging for housing loan?
housing loan, it's 8.35.
How much loan are we a percentage we loan we are percentage of interest we are charging on our gold loan?
Gold loan, sir, sorry, I don't know.
9.30.
9.30. Okay.
About car loan 8.70. Deposit scheme maximum given as 7.75% per annum for probably for senior citizens.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, good. So now I want you to go through the website once again thoroughly. And
yes.
are you aware of any digital product? What are the digital products you are having for MSME in ICICI?
Yes, sir. Specifically for MSME, there is
Yeah,
Insta overdraft. That is a overdraft facility given with collateral-free loan, and it is based on the credit submission of the customer in a specific current account with ICICI. Other
Mhm.
than that, we provide GST loans, which can be also availed via digital format only.
Mm.
These are the two we are providing.
Did you go
Other
through our Federal Bank sorry, our Bank of Maharashtra
bank,
website to know
yes,
about what are the digital products they are giving?
yes, sir, yes,
थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए उसका,
yes, मैं कर लेता हूँ,
थोड़ा
कर,
पढ़ के प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए. That's all. Otherwise, you
yes,
are answering all the questions correctly. See, the
hmm,
questions will revolve around number one, your achievement in that place. Number two,
hmm,
what you are going to do for us in our new Bank of Maharashtra. What are the things that are done in your ICICI products in our Bank of Maharashtra? What are the products with which you are familiar and how you can market them to get more success? And you should emphasize on the fact you have been reaching the targets set for you in ICICI and you have been always on the top ranks. That's all.
yes, sir,
If you insist
yes.
that, they will select you. Best wishes. You have done
Thank you,
very
sir.
good. You have done very good. I will give you 9 out of 10. But
Thank you, sir.
of
Yes,
course, you have to go through some current affair news and all that. What is happening in Canada? What is happening in Maharashtra election? Then
yes, sir.
something like थोड़ा से वो भी पढ़ लीजिए. मार्केट
Definitely,
को
sir.
थोड़ा देख के जाइए. Please see Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock
Ye-
Exchange, and then what is Bank of Maharashtra share price. ये सब थोड़ा देख के जाइएगा. थोड़ा गॉसिप में ये सब पूछेगा वो लोग.
Okay, sir. Yes, definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You did well.
Thank you.
You
Thank
did
you very
well.
much.
But please attend the interview and send me the questions they are asking for you. Thank you.
Definitely, definitely, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.